Definitely a big mess here on this stove, and I want you to see how bad it is. Okay, so this is what I'm using. It's the all-purpose cleaner and degreaser spot remover. We're gonna go ahead and spray this and leave it sit for about 5 minutes. Hold on. I was very surprised to use this and how it worked. So I sprayed enough on there, guys. We're gonna leave that sit for 5 minutes and you're gonna see the results. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. Let's see how easy it is to take this off. No scrubbing. I don't have to do any scrubbing, guys. And that was like the hardest part right there. No scrubbing. This is like the best degreaser. Again, it's called, I'm gonna finish wiping this off for you, but it's called the Totally Awesome, awesome, all-purpose cleaner and degreaser spot remover. And it's in a cherry blossom. It's the only flavor that I can find. I would definitely recommend this, guys. Literally, look at this. So I have to clean up all this mess. I'm gonna show you the end result. I just wanted to tell you, I would definitely recommend this product. For $1, I think it's $1.25, I'm not sure, but look at this. Let me finish cleaning this off and I'll show you the end result. All right, so look at this. It looks absolutely amazing. It only took 5 minutes, and you know, 5 minutes, if I know I don't have to scrub too much, it's a win for me. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.